Hi, my name's Andrew Smart. I work for Evertz and I'm here at ISE 2023. I represent Studer brand for Evertz across Europe, Middle East and Africa. Here at ISE we are showing the Studer Micro Core, which is a 12U fanless chassis, 12 channel audio mixer. It has a 4 mic line in, 8 line in, 12 analog out. It has 2 AES I/O channels, as well as 8 Dante. The microcore is controlled by an HTML5 web browser, so it's really easy to use and set up. Microcore also is available with up to 2 fader packs of 6 faders each. You can use 1 or 2. Which means that you can also ride non-motorized faders for full audio control. So to find out more about Studer products from Evertz, visit us at evertz.com.